Can you believe it? With just one command on Google AI, you can create your very own AI app to merge product images. Here's a character photo, here's a product photo, and here's the result in just seconds. The character is naturally using the product. In today's video, I'll show you how to build this app using Google AI and Nano Banana. Simple, yet incredibly powerful. The first, go to Google AI Studio and choose Build. In Paste Prompt, I will put the detailed prompt in the video description. Wait a few minutes. Upload character image. And upload product. And generate image. Just a few seconds and the photo is processed. The outfit has been changed quickly and beautifully. Now let's try it with another photo and see. Awesome! The image was processed super fast, and the facial details are perfectly preserved. The clothing has been processed with detailed attention to every fold. Turn on your computer and try it out today. In the next video, I'll test it with other products, like cups, hats, and water bottles, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.